Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you my airgun collection. It's going to be airsoft guns, BB guns, and also pellet guns. Alright guys, so the first one is the Colt 25. This is just a regular airsoft pistol, a little pocket pistol. I got it for 20 bucks. I got the little BB gun plus 10,000 BBs. Next up, Crosman Stinger P311, another airsoft gun. Mini Uzi SMG by Cybergun, another airsoft. Next up is the Thompson M1A1 military. It's another airsoft gun. Okay, that's it for the airsoft guns. Crosman 1911 BB. It's a CO2 177 caliber BB pistol. Umarex XPG, another CO2 177 caliber pistol. Umarex Makarov, another CO2 177 caliber pistol. Smith & Wesson MNP, another 177 caliber CO2 pistol, BB pistol. Crosman 1377, a 177 caliber pellet pump pistol. Crosman 1322, a 22 caliber pump pistol. Crosman 357, a semi-automatic CO2 177 caliber pellet pistol. These are all the handguns together. Crosman 760 Pumpmaster. Crosman Springmaster 795. It's a pellet pistol, same like the Crosman 760 Pumpmaster, but this one's a brake barrel and that one was a pump. The Chinese air rifle I did a review on, the XSB 2-1. Picked this up at the flea market. Okay guys, this is everything put together. Alright, thanks for watching.